Namaste, I am Dr. Shreya Shah. I am a cataract, cornea, and refractive surgeon at Centre for Sight, Mumbai. Unfortunately, right now there are no drops or other alternative treatments which take care of the cataract. The only treatment option is to undergo surgery. Yes, surgery can be done in the months of summer, it can be done all year round. This misconception or this practice rather was during the olden times when air conditioning was not available, when the operation theatres were more primitive, when the chances of infection were much higher during the humid and the hot months of the year, and because surgical techniques were also older, which had a larger incision size. So to prevent all these things, people would generally opt for surgery during the colder months of the year. However, that is not the case anymore. We operate and we do surgery in a very controlled environment. The techniques are a lot more refined, the healing is a lot more faster, and the risk of infections is lesser compared to what used to be the case earlier. There are no dietary restrictions after surgery. You are free to eat whatever you like. There's no dietary restrictions from our end. You are also not expected to stop any kind of medication. So if you are on medicines for hypertension, diabetes, blood thinners, or anything else, please continue your medicines. Do not stop anything without consulting your primary treating physician for a cataract surgery. Yes, today after a cataract surgery, we can get rid of your glasses. However, it is not possible for each and every patient. It has to be a case-to-case basis. But largely, yes, assuming that there is no other problem associated in the eye, then we can definitely achieve spectacle independence. After cataract surgery, it is important that we implant a lens. In the absence of a lens, you will not be able to see clearly. And in the olden days, when cataract surgery was performed without a lens, one would have to wear very, very thick glasses, as you may have seen with your grandparents or great-grandparents. So most age-related cataracts are observed after the age of 50, but some individuals do develop cataract at a younger age, and that could be because of other reasons. For example, a long-term use of steroids. If you've had asthma and you're on inhalers which contain steroids, that can contribute to the development of an early cataract. If you suffer from other eye diseases where your eye is getting inflamed over and over again, or you have other systemic conditions because of which a cataract can develop earlier. Sometimes we see cataract in young children also, which is there since birth because of some illness the mother may have had while she was pregnant. However, all of these can be treated, but the goal is to treat it in time because cataract is a preventable cause of blindness.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.